Yep, so this is the job. Should be fun. And just gotta remove this guy first. Get rid of all the hardware. Anybody wants that? I don't know if it's useful for anyone. They could have it. Make some cuts in the fiberglass. Then start picking it away. Before I go anywhere else. This I could already tell these are hollow. I'm already suspecting full removal. Expecting the worst, but hope for the best. Some of this might come out fairly easy. We hope. I'm sure there'll be lots of grinding. Just got to make sure I'm in Campbell River. That I don't know. I might have to put out a cooler of beer to keep the neighbors from pissing the neighbors off. Put free beer out when I start grinding or something. Oof, mosquitoes are already getting bad. Yeah, any ideas for anybody? I am definitely open.